Hi guys, this is Abhishek Khandilwal, Chief Engineer at Pressura Studios. I just heard Hard Bottle subs and trust me, they sound so amazing, and I could just literally feel every gunshot, every car passing by, and the way the blasts were translating. Amazing, amazing stuff. Very, very good subs. Very tight.